Hi, this is Miss Ball, and I'm going to show you how to make a Climograph for your biome project. So if you remember, we already made a data table using the information that I searched for on the internet, and I showed you how to set that up. So we're just going to start with that original file, not the one that we made fancy with lines and colors, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. All we have to do is highlight everything in the data table, and then we're going to go up to Insert Chart, and then we're going to choose the combo, and I already have that chosen. So combo chart is what we want. The next thing we want to do is go over to Customize, and we want to go to Chart and Axis Titles. And let's first work on the chart title. So I want my chart title to tell us what the chart is about, what the Climograph is about. So it is the Kanza Prairie Climograph. All right, I like that. And then I'm going to click again and go to the subtitle, and I'm going to put by, and then put your name. I'm going to put by Miss Ball. All right. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to go to Series. I'm still in the Customize tab. I'm going to go to Series, and I want to work with just the precipitation. So I'm going to say precipitation, and I want to move it to the right axis. So I click right here, and boom, now the right axis is measuring precipitation, and my left axis is measuring temperature. All right, so that looks great. The next thing I need to do is I want to go back up to Chart Style, and to make it look a little tiny bit prettier, I'm going to click on Smooth, and that just kind of makes my line a little bit nicer. And then the final thing, but very important thing, is to go back and look at your labels, your how you have your axes labeled. So let's go to the horizontal axis title. It already says month, and then I have the months of the year labeling each of the bars, and so I like that. So let's go to vertical. That's going to be the left vertical, and I want to give it a title. So I'm going to say temperature and put F for Fahrenheit. Make sure you have units of measure. If you use Celsius, make sure it says C. All right, I like that. Now I'm going to go to the right vertical axis. Remember how we moved the precipitation there? And I'm going to make it say precipitation, but again, don't forget your units of measure. In this case, I used inches. And then just take one last look at the chart, see if anything needs to be changed. I like it. So I'm just going to either use Command C to copy it, or I can say copy it with these three dots in the upper right hand corner. And I'm going to go to my Google slide, and let me just get rid of this text box and just paste it right in. Once again, you want to keep it linked to the spreadsheet in case you have some changes. Maybe you made a mistake, you need to go back and fix something. And voila, there's my Climograph.